Dear children, do the activity on the chapter surface areas and volumes. First, you write the answer for the question. First question is, what are solids? This is the first question for you. What are solids? Solids are the three-dimensional geometrical objects which are having length, breadth and so write the answer for the questions. What are solids? Solids are the three-dimensional geometrical objects having length, breadth and height. Write that. Solids are three-dimensional geometric object having length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height are the three dimensions of the solids. Next, give examples of solids. Second question. Give examples of solids. So, what are the examples of solids? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, etc. You can give lots of example. Now let us give few example. Some examples of solids are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, also you can write pyramid, prism, etc. Next you write some characteristics of solids. Write some characteristics of solids. So first one you write, solids are three-dimensional figures. Solids are having length, breadth and height. So write, solids are three-dimensional figures they are having length, breadth and height. Second property you can write, solids occupy space and they have volume. So write, solids occupy space and they have volume. As they occupy the space, as they are three-dimensional figures, they are having volume also. Occupy space and they have volume. Third one you can have solids are having surface area. Solids are also having surface area as they are having outer shapes like circles, squares, rectangles, etc. So you write that solids are also having surface area. Next you can take solids are having faces, edges, vertices, etc. also. So write solids like cube, cuboid, prism, pyramid, are having faces, vertices and edges. So write faces, edges and vertices. Then the next question is define and draw the following solids and write information about faces, edges, vertices, LSA, TSA, LSA, TSA and volume. Which are that solids? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. Then you write the first one is cube. What is cube? Then what is cube? It is a three-dimensional solid with 6 equal square faces. All the 6 faces are of square shaped And how many edges are there? How many vertices are there? Here number of faces equals to 6. So write what is cube? Cube is a solid with 6 congruent square faces or 6 equal square faces. Here number of faces equals 6. So first you draw the figure of this cube. Then you write number of faces. Number of faces, how much? 6. And number of edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there? 12 edges are there. Number of edges 12. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Number of vertices 8. And LSA of cube, lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square faces are the lateral faces. So 4a square. What is the formula to find the area of the square? Area of the square is a square. Then 4a square. Then total surface area of square. Total surface area of cube. Six faces are there. Each face is of square shaped. So 6a square. If you take the edges of the cube is a. Then volume of the cube equals a cube or L cube. A cube, right? You can take L also. That is, you write or 4L square. Here or 6L square. Or it is L cube. That also you can take here. The next one is then you take the cuboid. Cuboid. And what is cuboid? Cuboid is a solid with 6 rectangular faces. So right, cuboid is a solid with 6 rectangular faces. 6 rectangular faces. Draw the figure of the cuboid. This cuboid is also having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So write here number of faces. Number of faces 6 and number of edges 12. Number of vertices 8. Number of vertices 8. Then you write lateral surface area of the cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. Here it is to be expressed in terms of L length, B breadth and H height. So let us take this is L, this is B and this is H. So all these 4 are L and these are H and these are B. So 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 heights you will get here. Lateral surface area means sum of the area of 4 lateral faces. 1, 2 and this is 1, 3 and this side 1, 4. So for 2, this and this you will get BH means 2 BH, and for this and this you will get LH. So you write 2HL plus 2HB. So you can write 2H common 2H into L plus B. That is 2HL plus 2HB. Next, total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. It is the sum of the area of all the 6 faces. So plus what includes here? 2LB. So it is 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. So you can remove 2 outside as a common. In the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Next, volume of the cuboid equals volume of cuboid equals L into B into H, LBH. Then the next one is cylinder. Next you take the cylinder. What is cylinder? Cylinder is a solid having 2 identical parallel circular bases joined by a curved surface. So write cylinder. Cylinder is a solid with 2 identical parallel circular bases with 2 identical parallel circular bases joined by a curved surface. Joined by a curved surface. If you want to draw two circular bases. So cylinder is having two circular bases. They are the flat surfaces and one curved surface. That is the lateral surface is curved surface. So you take, what about the faces? Number of faces. Number of faces. How much? 3. And out of that, 2 flat circular bases and 1 curved lateral surface. So take, they are 2 flat circular bases and lateral surface is curved surface. Here you can observe these two are bases, circular shaped, and the lateral surface is curved surface. Next, how many edges are there? There are 2 curved edges where the bases meet the curved surfaces. Here, this is one edge and this is one edge. So take 2 curved edges where the bases meet the curved surface. So you take edges. Number of edges, 2 curved edges, 2 curved edges. Next, what number of vertices? Here I can't find any vertices, so you can write no vertices. No vertices. You know that for circular faces we have to take the radius, and for curved surfaces we have to take height h. So for cuboid we have to take L, B and H. L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height. For this we have to take the radius of the circular base and height of the cylinder. So you take lateral surface area. For cylinder, lateral surface area is termed as curved surface area. You write curved surface area of cylinder. Equals 2 phi RH. Here h is the height, r is the radius. Then total surface area of the cylinder. Is 2 phi r into h plus r. 2 phi r into h plus r. Then volume of the cylinder. Equals 5 into r square into h. This is about the cylinder. Come to the next page. You must take each figure in the different page only. Start the new figure from the new page. Next you take cone. So what is cone? Cone is a solid with circular base pointing towards the point. So you take what is cone? Cone is a solid with a circular base with a circular base and curved lateral surface pointing towards the top. Then you draw the figure of the cone, circular base, and the curved surface is pointing towards the top. Then the distance between the center of the base and the top is called the height, and this is the slant height, that is the distance between the circumference of the circular base to the top, and this is the radius. When you take number of faces including the base and curved surface, you can have 2. Here circular base and curved lateral surface. Then number of edges only 1, that is for the circular base. Number of edges 1. Then you write the formula for the CSA and TSA and also for the volume. Then you write lateral surface area, nothing but the curved surface area. You take curved surface area of cone. Equals 5 into R into L. R is the radius and L is the slant surface, slant height. L is the slant height. Next, TSA of total surface area of cone. Phi r plus phi r square. You can remove phi r as a common, then L plus R or R plus L. Next, volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. 1 by 3 pi r square h is the volume of the cone. For cone, you can write number of vertices 1. That is the point of the top. Next one, sphere. Then what is sphere? Sphere is a solid having only curved surface. So take sphere is a solid having only curved surface. You can draw the figure, the sphere. And also you can write that sphere is the set of points that are all at the same distance from a given point in the three-dimensional space. Right? Sphere is the set of points that are all at the same distance are from a given point That fixed point is called the center, and that fixed distance, same distance, is called the radius. Then sphere is having no faces, no edges, and no vertices. So right, sphere is having only one face, that is a curved surface. So sphere is having only one surface, that is curved surface. Only one curved surface, only one surface, that is curved surface. So number of edges 0 and number of vertices is also 0. No edges, no vertices. Then what about this total surface area? Total surface area of the sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. It is not having lateral surface area or total separate area separately. It is having only one surface area, which is also called curved surface area or total surface area. Right? TSA of total surface area. Or curved surface area of sphere equals 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere equals 4/3 pi r cube. Here r is the radius, 4/3 pi r cube. Then hemisphere. What is hemisphere? If a sphere is cut into two equal parts, each part is called hemisphere. If a sphere is cut into two equal halves, each half is called hemisphere. So take, if sphere is cut into two equal parts, each part is called hemisphere. Each part is called hemisphere. So if you draw the figure of the hemisphere, so hemisphere is half of sphere. Half of sphere. Sphere is having one circular base and another one curved surface. So write number of faces 2. Take circular base and curved surface. Then number of edges 1. That is the circumference of the circle. Number of edges 1. Then vertices, no vertices. Number of vertices 0. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere is curved surface area of the hemisphere. And then you write curved surface area. Or lateral surface, that also termed as lateral surface. Area of hemisphere equals equals 2 pi r square, that is half of the curved surface area of the sphere of same radius. Then you take the total surface area equals, that is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, 3 pi r square. Then volume of the hemisphere. Here you write total surface area of hemisphere equals three pi r square. Then volume of hemisphere equals half of 4 by 3 pi r square, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Half of 4 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube.